Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to book online flights in trip.com in 2025. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. Let's begin. First open your browser and go to trip.com. Then select flights. Below you will see leaving from and going to section. Select where are you leaving from and where you have to go destination. After this, select your departure and return date. Besides, select how many passengers are traveling along with the seat facilities like economy or business or premium class. Then select to search to view all the available flights. In the next page, you will see all the available flights. Here on the left side, you will see some specific option to specify your search or to see better result. You can specify airlines, airline times, and so on. In the right side, all the available flights are listed. You can choose as per your preference. Click on select button to see available match and select below. In this page, you need to add passenger details. Also, they including compensation and flight detail, which is a great option. Select the recommend option. After that, fill up the contact details below. Click on the tick box where specify the trip.com booking terms and condition. Click on the next and you are good to go.